What's up, guys? It's Anthony from the Unknown 720. We're gonna be camping tonight at Shackleford Island with the wild horses, and you guys stay tuned and hit that follow button. It's coming.
Oh.
It likes you. What's up, guys? We are now on the good old cruise ship. We got our private cruise ship here. Getting the private ferry to the island.
We began seeing horses before getting there, which was a good sign. We weren't actually too sure of how real these horses were, but seeing horses before arriving seemed promising.
Okay, guys, we have walked up on 2 wild horses.
After putting our stuff down and setting up our tent, we decided to go see some horses. We didn't have to go too far, as we decided to set up next to the horses, which was awesome. We didn't want to get too close at first, because after all, these are wild stallions. While these are pretty small horses, they are still wild. Getting stepped on or trampled by one of these would not be fun. Although these horses seem pretty smart, they seem to know to keep a distance from us. The sign says that if a horse walks away, then you're too close. But what if a horse comes up to you? Will we find out? Please hit subscribe, like this video, and keep watching till the end to find out what happens. We began to head back to camp at this point to gather some things to explore throughout the night. As the sun began to set, we began to set out exploring. We came across some ungrazed pastures. The difference was quite significant.
We're here on Shackleford Island, exploring. Got some wild horses. Hit that one. Oh, that's good.
Oh my god. Got a cactus in my foot. Got it out. Sorry.
You're good. There's actually cactuses on the ground here.
Yep, there's full-on cactuses.
Real one. Now these are wild horses, so
Let's show you what happens
don't think
when you
it's
try to
advisable
walk
to
up.
pat, but we'll try to get close so you guys can see what happens. Go ahead. Does not like to be approached. Also, very beautiful sunset here. Yep, they don't like it. Not too happy to be approached. Alright guys, this is where we set up tent. A little windy since we didn't actually go on the other sides of the dunes here, but worked well. Not too much wind. We didn't blow away. So now we're just making some coffee. Attempting to anyway. What about this one? He's just...
Oh, damn.
What the fuck? It's coming.
Oh.
It likes you. Guys, this thing just walked up to us. We didn't even approach it. Swear. Wild horse just walked up to her. Here, take the camera. I want to pet it.
Not walking into horse shit.
There's more right under you. Oh. Don't let it back you.
Oh, it's just taking a shit. Babe, I just went to its shit pile. I'm gonna put this over here, far away from you.
Back up on me now.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna cut around here because I don't want to get back in this corner. Hey, buddy.
I think he just likes us.
He does. I just don't want to get back in
Oh, I know.
in case he gets red.
You're so sweet, baby. He's
you can
trying
end
to
it.
follow us.
You're okay, buddy. Petting wild horses.
Hey guys, thanks for joining and welcome to the Unknown family. Hit subscribe and like this video. Stay tuned for more explorations and paranormal investigations.